Welcome back to Motor Vision, where we bring you the latest in car reviews, auto news, and everything on four wheels. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss a ride. Today we're diving into a car that blends the nostalgia of the past with the performance of the present. The 2025 Volkswagen Beetle GSR. Yes, the iconic Beetle is back, and it's packing more attitude than ever. If you thought the Beetle was just a cute car for weekend drives, the new GSR version is here to shatter those expectations. Let's start with a bit of background. The GSR badge stands for Gelb-Schwarze Renner, or Yellow-Black Racer, a name that first appeared in the 1970s. It was one of the sportiest Beetles ever made. Now, fast forward to 2025, and Volkswagen has revived the GSR to celebrate its legacy, this time with modern tech, aggressive styling, and performance that might just surprise you. The first thing that hits you is the design. This isn't the bubbly bug of the past. The 2025 Beetle GSR has a much more aggressive stance. It sits lower, wider, and features sharp aerodynamic lines that hint at its sporty intent. The yellow and black paint job returns in true GSR tradition, with racing stripes, blacked-out mirrors, and a rear spoiler that's more than just cosmetic. Up front, the LED headlights are sleeker, and the honeycomb grille gives it a menacing look. Around the back, dual exhausts and a diffuser hint at the performance underneath. Volkswagen didn't just revive the Beetle, they gave it a whole new attitude. Under the hood, the Beetle GSR comes with a 2.0-liter turbocharged inline-4 engine. This power plant pushes out 280 horsepower and 295 pound-feet of torque. It's paired with a 7-speed DSG dual-clutch transmission that delivers fast, smooth shifts. The result? A 0 to 60 time of just under 5.7 seconds. That's quick, very quick, for a Beetle. But performance isn't just about straight line. Speed. The GSR gets a sport-tuned suspension, bigger brakes, and a more responsive steering system. Whether you're on a curvy mountain road or just zipping through city traffic, it feels agile and connected. This isn't just a fun car, it's a driver's car. Inside, Volkswagen went all out to give the GSR a unique feel. You'll find sport seats with yellow contrast stitching, a flat-bottom steering wheel, aluminum pedals, and carbon fiber style trim. The GSR badge is embroidered on the seats and stamped into the dashboard, reminding you that this isn't your average Beetle. The infotainment system is Volkswagen's latest MIB4, featuring a 10-inch touchscreen, wireless Apple CarPlay, and Android Auto, navigation, and a 12-speaker Fender Premium audio system. The digital cockpit behind the wheel can be customized to show everything from performance gauges to navigation and media info. Volkswagen has also equipped the GSR with all the latest safety and driver assist features. You get adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and automatic emergency braking. It's a car that feels just as smart as it does sporty. Now, some of you may be asking, is this still a Beetle? Well, that depends on how you define it. The 2025 GSR keeps the spirit alive with its unique shape and playful personality, but this time it comes with real performance credentials. It's not just a car for Beetle fans, it's a car for enthusiasts. Another big update is that the new Beetle GSR rides on Volkswagen's MQB platform, which means it shares underpinnings with cars like the Golf GTI. That's part of what makes it feel so balanced and capable. It's as if Volkswagen decided to blend the heart of a hot hatch with the soul of an icon. And here's something interesting. There's talk that this might be the final internal combustion Beetle. With VW pushing hard into electrification, the next generation Beetle could be all electric. If that's true, then the 2025 GSR may be your last chance to experience a gas-powered Beetle with real bite. Pricing starts around $36,000, which places it squarely in the hot hatch category. But with its rarity, unique design, and heritage appeal, the GSR feels like something special. It's not just another retro revival, it's a serious performance car with a fun, rebellious spirit. So, is the 2025 Volkswagen Beetle GSR worth it? If you're looking for something that stands out, offers real performance, and carries a name with decades of history, then absolutely. It's a modern classic that knows how to have fun and doesn't take itself too seriously, unless you want it to. That's it for today's review. Let us know in the comments, would you buy the new Beetle GSR? Or do you prefer the old school vibes of the original? We'd love to hear your thoughts. Thanks for watching Motor Vision. If you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more reviews, comparisons, and auto news. We'll see you in the next one. Drive safe, stay curious, and keep your wheels turning.